This is a 24 doors puzzle. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all the pieces into the tray so that only one number is visible. The 24 doors puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. If you like the 24 doors puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and click the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The 24 doors puzzle has 6 uniquely shaped pieces and a frame. As you can see, each piece has a different shape, quite complicated. And the frame has 24 numbers engraved on it. And the goal of the puzzle will be to put all the parts back, but leave one of the numbers uncovered. So that means that it can be any number from 1 to 24. It can be 4, 23, 15, or any other number. So, for example, you put a piece like that, leave number 16 uncovered, and then put the rest of the parts around it. So this puzzle will take a lot of time to solve, since in order to find all 24 solutions, you will spend countless hours and you will have a lot of fun. If you like the 24 doors puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.